Hey guys, thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Nope. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today, I'm going to be starting working with this Huck gun, this lock bolt gun, or is what I've made it into, a lock bolt gun. It does a lot of other things, but I bought this thing on eBay and I could not find any info about it. So I did a bunch of research on it, or not info. I couldn't figure out. There's no videos on how to replace the tips or the noses or anything. So it's an older one, but so far it's been a goodie. I've only used it like 3 times. But what it does is with this nose, you could install this type of rivet, but it's called they're lock bolts is what these are. When you install them, the end product on the outside is like a sealed head. There's different types of heads too that you could get with this type of installation process. This is the back side of it. It's super strong. I can't even spin this thing. With the rivets, like a blind pop rivet that we were using, even the stainless steel mandrel and the stainless steel sleeve, you could still kind of twist it when they were fully set. So this lock bolt is super strong. So when I bought this lock bolt Huck gun, it had this tip or nose on it. It is a 3/16 nose, but it's meant for a different fastener. And not knowing much about these and not being able to find too much information or knowledge about this or these out there, I bought this one thinking I was going to be able to install these lock bolts. Come to find out, I couldn't. This is more, it's like a rivet type, but it's for like aviation rivets. Just not what I needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell this one. And I bought this nose. Let's see. When I received this new nose, I couldn't figure out how to get it off. Like I said, removed the, I believe this is the anvil. Oh, actually, sorry, the lock bolt catch bag. So I removed the lock bolt catch bag first. Looked at it, removed this one, this nut. And this comes off. This is the grip, the puller for the lock bolt. So this, I was like, how in the world am I going to get this off? Started twisting the end, which would be on this one. I was twisting these apart, and I'm like, how in the world do I get this thing apart? What I ended up figuring out is here on the backside, on the exhaust or the exit of the lock bolt pins, you could fit a Allen wrench or an Allen key in the piston. I think it's called a piston, maybe puller. I think it's a piston though. And I think this is a 1/4 inch. Yeah, 1/4 inch Allen. And let's see, I'll do it real quick. So I got it right in the back of it. Now if I turn this, you can see this move. There's a seal and stuff in here, so I don't want to move it too much, but you can see when I turn this, this is going to move. Now to remove this puller on the end right here, hold steady on the shaft and turn the puller. Loosen it up. And that's it. So this is the puller I bought and had to install. Again. Don't want to go too tight. My German torque specs, guten tight. So, little tight, new nose. Now, that is how you replace the noses on this Huck gun. It's going to be the same for a ton of Huck guns. I believe this is a 230, and the more I get to know this gun, the more I will upload videos. I'm going to try to figure out maintenance on this thing, how to replace the oil, when it goes bad, start replacing gaskets one at a time or seals one at a time. So we're going to figure this out. If you need one, make sure you look for a link in the description below to purchase one, and you can learn with me. But I'm going to be making shelves for delivery trucks like FedEx trucks and stuff, and hopefully you'll tag along for that. And it'll be a little bit different than my regular automotive stuff, but it'll be just as cool. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Tell everybody about me. If your friends, family, anybody has a car, I probably have a video that will help them out eventually during their maintenance needs. So tell everybody about me, please. And stay tuned, and we'll start going over this Huck lock bolt gun when I get to know it. So like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. Comment below with any questions or what kind of gun that this video helped you out with. I'll see you again on the next hopefully helpful video.